Hello everyone. Today's video is for those who are working on computers, laptops for a long intervals. As we are in lockdown phase, it's very difficult to convert our home into office. As office is a place where everything is ergonomically designed, and it's very difficult to work in home because here we have to adjust. So before starting your work, I will teach you some basic stretchings of neck and hands so that you may not face any problem regarding your work. You should always practice these stretches before starting your work, and then please practice it in 2-3 hours intervals. If you are sitting for a long time, then it should be done in after every 2 hours interval. Okay, so let's start. First, I'll teach you the neck stretchings. First of all, always sit straight. Always use a table and chair if you're using laptops, computers. Don't sit on your bed, sofa, floor. Adjust your heights of the chair, laptop, everything. That I will explain you in my other video. Today I will be basically taking the stretches. So first stretch. Place your one hand here, the other here. Pull down, pull this side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. You can do 3 to 5 times, but you have to do it very slowly in a very relaxed manner. Okay? Now second stretch. You will stretch out all your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a fist. Put your thumbs inside. Tighten it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you can repeat this exercise 3 times or 4 times a time. Then, make a fist. Put your thumb inside. Stabilize your wrist joint tightly and then make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat with other. Stabilize it. Don't forget to stabilize. See, there is a difference when you do like this and when you stabilize into. When you stabilize your wrist joint, the whole movement comes from your wrist. And when you do it like this, your elbow joint also moves. So always remember, you have to stabilize your wrist, because your wrist, you are using it too much on the laptops or if you are using the mouse. So all joints should be mobilized so that it is easy to work and no nerve should get compressed. So stabilize it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? So you'll repeat one more time. This was first exercise, first stretch. This was second stretch. And this is the third. Hope so. You will practice this from today itself. And if you have any query, you can contact me on 845-9549-539. Have a nice day. Good day.